The United States has emerged as the shining spot for overseas Chinese investment in recent years, according to a U.S. consultancy. In the first 9 months this year, Chinese firms spent over $12 billion on greenfield projects and acquisitions in America. CCTV America reporter Suzanne Pratt has the story.
From a hefty stake in New York's iconic General Motors building to pork giant Smithfield Foods, lately China has been buying America in a big way. Chinese investment in the U.S. is at an all-time high, and experts predict it's likely to grow exponentially in the next few years. Attorney Robert Profusik says a catalyst for that growth is Shanghai International's nearly $5 billion purchase of Smithfield, which he believes will get approval.
Once it does, people will say, aha. You can do a big deal like that. If you do it right, it can be done. Because I do think, I'm a free market believer myself, I think we need to get rid of the rhetoric when it comes to investment and do it on the merits.
Last year, doing deals on the merits resulted in China investing a record $6 billion in the U.S. Just 5 years earlier, the number was a mere $360 million. What's behind the acceleration? Professor David Danoon says China needs to slim down its ample holdings of U.S. treasuries.
They recognize, as almost all economists do, that interest rates are eventually going to go up. They're going to take some kind of hit on those treasuries, and they want to try to balance it with assets that are going to yield a higher return. So diversification makes a lot of sense.
China's State Administration Foreign Exchange, or SAFE, has reportedly opened an office in Manhattan with the express purpose of sniffing out good places for China to park its cash. China experts say last year's purchase of the AMC Lowe's theater chain by China's Dalian Wanda is a good model for future deals because of its non-controversial nature. Experts predict China will focus future investments on U.S. infrastructure as well as agriculture and manufacturing companies. But Danoon recommends that China avoid one industry in particular.
If they press hard in the high-tech areas, they're just going to get resistance, and they're going to be rebuffed. So I think that would be a mistake.
Experts say exactly where China puts its money isn't as important as that it continues to buy American. They say nothing like successful deal-making to cement a relationship between the two countries. Suzanne Pratt, CCTV, New York.